morning, brothers, and welcome to today's Baler Bulletin. I'm James Gibson.
And I'm Courtney Govan.
Frederick Douglass was an African-American reformer who, after escaping from slavery in Maryland, became a national leader of the abolitionist movement in New York and Maryland.
If there is no struggle, there's no progress. Frederick Douglass.
Quick reminders regarding dress code and parking.
Students are allowed to park in the football parking lot.
But the painted parkings are off limits unless purchased.
Students can also park in the tennis court parking lot.
You can also park in the Baler Alley parking lot.
Parking spots labeled staff are off limits.
Parking on side streets like the ones behind me is off limits.
Because we like to keep our neighbors happy.
And able to park in the Baler parking lots, you need this parking permit, which
You can get from the online student web store and pick it up in the student activities office for free.
Remember to take your hat off before walking into class. Hoods are not needed to learn. Jeans are meant to be at your waistline. Belts are helpful. Remember, there are consequences to your actions. You don't want to miss out on clubs, dances, and athletics.
Oh, you do? You think you're gonna pass?
I hope so, but I'm not so sure.
Was that the bell?
Yeah, it was. We should get to class. Girls, don't forget to pick up the rest of your trash.
Okay.
Guys, make sure you're always sensible and pick up your trash because we all know no one else likes to pick up after you.
Scan or photograph the QR code shown on this flyer to access the Zoom for the monthly Coffee with Your Counselors event in this Thursday, February 10th from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. We look forward to welcoming your connection with the counseling team as we review important school information related to the financial aid and post-secondary education planning process. For those that are unable to attend, we will share a recording of this event.
Valentine's Day is coming up for Monday, February 14th. Riley Club will be selling grams in the quad all of this week at lunch in the quad. We will have $5, $7, and $10 options. Choose something for your friend or that special someone. And Riley Club will be delivering it to them on Valentine's Day.
Attention 4th period Student Congress representatives. Student Congress is today, Wednesday, February 9th, in the cafeteria. Your teacher will excuse you at 9:15 to head over. Our superintendent, Dr. Tenenbaum, will have a special presentation for us. We will not have time for regular concerns and acknowledgments, but are still planning to select staff members of the month.
All seniors are encouraged to stop by Mr. Breen's room 206 near Baler Alley. During break or lunch on white days this week, Monday, Wednesday, or Friday, to confirm their senior portraits will be including in this year's yearbook. The photos will be displayed on the poster board for you to make sure that you're included. Email Mr. Breen if you have any questions.
Are you looking for something to do this Saturday night? Do you love watching movies, supporting a good cause, and hanging out with friends? If so, this Saturday night, the Interact Club is hosting a movie night in the cafeteria starting at 6:15 p.m. The event is $2 with all proceeds going to support the Interact Club and their service projects within the community. The event will also have lawn games set up in the outside area and snacks to purchase for students who would prefer to socialize with their friends.
Do you enjoy Pokemon? Would you like to catch them all? If so, join the Pokemon Club, which meets every Friday at lunch in room 371. See you there.
Are you looking to gain community service hours for your college scholarships? Would you like to be a part of a club on campus that completes service projects within our community? If so, please join Interact Club Mondays at lunch in room 371 in Mrs. Bonner's classroom.
Today is the third day of Hollister FFA Week. Baler's today is dress up sports day and the lunchtime activity cornhole tournament finals.
That's it for today's Baler Bulletin. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for
Remember,
Go
Go
Balers.
Balers.